Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Since you're here, see how I revamped these storage benches. It's all right, stay a while. I decided it was time to give these benches a little boost. The two dark benches I purchased from Walmart, and the small bench in the center I got from a thrift store. The small bench was covered with gold fabric from a shirt I was no longer wearing and placemats. I wanted to heighten these benches, so I ordered these black hairpin legs. They came as a set of 4. In this clip, you can see how much height the legs add to the bench. These are the 2 fabrics I used for this project. I measured the benches and cut out the fabric pieces. I started with the small cube bench. I used hot glue at the edges. I cut slits at the top and bottom to make gluing or stapling the fabric easier for me. I had to add an extra piece of fabric in the back of this bench. Since this bench is also used for storage, there are hinges. I didn't feel like removing them to secure the fabric in that spot, so I just folded the fabric over and glued it to secure it. For the rest of this inner top part, I simply hot glued the fabric over the interior edge of the bench. Next, I covered the top with this soft corduroy material. I secured it in place with staples. Here, I added the last piece of fabric with hot glue. I attached the metal legs to the larger benches and added fabric to the body of the benches and left the top as is. I was going to cover the tops, however, I liked the dark and light contrast, so I let them remain as they were. I do like the added height to the benches, although it is very hard to see the black legs against the dark colored rug. The next few clips show the benches styled. Thank you for watching this video. I'm glad I got to share these bench revamps with you. And as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.